lot of research studies about IQ and EQ. Your EQ should be much higher. Even after understanding EQ, we do not understand. We fall into the emotional bondage. Emotional quotient simply means emotional freedom. So that emotional bondage comes by the mind, which is impulsive, which is habitual, which is instinctive. In a simple way, it means the mind is not able to understand the situation outside, the situations in the mind, and it gets emotionally charged, results into anger, anxiety, duality, conflict, confusion, blame, complaint, etc., etc. Then what we do when we listen to a teacher and we say, oh yes, you are good. We listen to a teacher and the intellect says, no, I have understood it. And then we forget it. What is from where the forgetfulness comes? From the emotional bondage. That emotional non-quotient, if I use the word, or the emotional bondage, causes the mind to overpower the intellect. So whatever I have understood today, it is a wastage. So I listen to a lot of teachers, but I don't follow up, I do not contemplate and reflect. There the Eastern wisdom comes. Eastern wisdom says 3 great principles. Listen and learn the principles. Ask as many questions as possible so that your mind, your intellect starts participating. Through the contemplation and reflections, we understand. When the understanding is there, the clarity is there, the doubt is gone, followed by the practice. Nididhyasanam. I don't know, let me know it. I do not understand, let me understand it. Don't say to any teacher of Eastern wisdom that, okay, you are right, you are great. No. You become great. Okay. So the thesis. So what point that I want to bring about here is that you go to the teacher, you listen to it, and you say, very good, wonderful thought. You praise and appreciate and recognize the teacher, you go back home and the mind takes over you again. What this process is known as? This is known as a wishful thinking. So wishful thinking will not work in life. Right thinking that shows success will. That right thinking, first point is I don't know, let me know it. I do not understand, let me understand it. I do not experience, let me practice. So mind must follow all the 3 points. What will happen? The anxiety will drop, stress will drop, sufferings will go. Your mind will stop blaming, complaining, reacting against the situation outside, people outside, relations outside. So what will happen to the mind? It is an emotional freedom. What is that emotional freedom? You have the emotional quotient. Are you ready?